Morning, everybody. Maynard Edwards here for the Tyler's Place podcast. Obviously, I'm standing directly in front of the White House. It's just a little bit before 7 a.m. in Washington, D.C. It could be a warm day, but mostly sunny, and a great day for the big Biennial Session Supreme Council meeting that's going to take place about 300 yards that way and about 9 a.m. So we're just a little over 2 hours away right now. And obviously, the White House right here. You go about 2 blocks up, that's where the Capitol Hilton is. And that is where headquarters for the day, the Biennial Session, are going to be. And then about another half a mile up 16th Street is where the House of the Temple actually is, just to kind of give you some perspective as to where we are. Now, I'm going to be reporting some behind-the-scenes stuff, and we're going to be doing that throughout the day. Yesterday was the first day we tried some of these video podcasts, and I know those of you who are tuned in on Stitcher could not see the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to not only put this up on our podcast stream, which you can get on iTunes if you use Apple or if you download iTunes, but you will also be able to listen on Stitcher. I'm also going to create a YouTube channel, and so take a look at our Twitter feed and on SR Chirp for the address for that podcast channel for the Tyler's Place for these special reports. And I'll put all the ones from yesterday up here shortly. And if you have questions or something you'd like to see, send me an email double quick at podcast@scottishrite.org. I would love to know what it is you're interested in seeing and hearing from the Biennial Session meeting. Also, bear with us. This is the first time we've tried anything like this, so there's going to be a little bit of a learning curve and probably a few things that Maynard is going to goof up. But we're going to do our very best to make sure you get to see as much of the behind-the-scenes action as you possibly can at the Supreme Council's Biennial Session. I'm Maynard Edwards for the Tyler's Place.